Hey there, Facebook enthusiast. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a quick tutorial on how to view your recently watched reads on Facebook. First things first, open your Facebook app or navigate to the Facebook website on your desktop. Once you're logged in, head over to the bottom menu and find the Reels icon. It looks like a play button inside a colorful circle.
गेम के लिए
To access your recently watched Reels, swipe down on the Reels feed. And voila, you'll see a section labeled recently watched. And there you have it. All the reels you've recently watched are right at your fingertips. From here, you can easily rewatch any of your favorite reels or discover new ones based on your recent activities. And that's how simple it is to view your recently watched reels on Facebook. Easy, right? Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Facebook tips and tricks. See you next time.